Cold, worn-out hands meet the tough, weathered surface of an old GMC truck steering wheel. A story of countless miles driven, of jobs completed, of adventures had. But like all good things, it's time for a change. And not just any change, but a transformation into sheer luxury. Enter the world of custom steering wheel restoration. It's not just about bringing back functionality, it's about elevating the entire driving experience. Picture a master craftsman meticulously restoring the wheel to its former glory, then taking it a step further. Imagine the feeling of smooth, forged carbon fiber under your fingertips. A material once reserved for the world's most luxurious supercars now graces your trusty pickup. It's a blend of practicality and extravagance, a testament to the beauty of modern innovation. From worn out to wow, from ordinary to extraordinary, this is the magic of custom steering wheel restoration. Experience the thrill of the new, while preserving the charm of the old. This is your journey, your story, your steering wheel. Welcome to the new age of driving.